how to get paid daily using Google. I'm not even going to waste your time right now. I'm just going to jump straight into it. As you can see, I'm already on Google right here. So what we're going to be doing, I'm going to share with you some tools and resources that you can use to get paid daily just by using Google. So by the way, if this is your first time here, my name is Andre. I talk about how to make money online affiliate marketing. So make sure you head on over to my YouTube channel. This is it right here. Just make sure you give me a like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Turn on that bell notification so every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. So how to get paid daily by using Google. So let's jump into it. So the first thing first, I'm going to show you a couple different ways how to do it. As I said, I'm going to give you some tools and resources, and these are absolutely free. You do not need any money to get this started. So if you completely broke and you want to find a way how to make money, I'm going to show you how you can land customers, how you can find people to pay you daily just by using Google. So the first tool that you're going to be needing, you're going to need a tool that is called Keyword Research. So it is absolutely free. You could come on here, you could download it, you can install it on Chrome or install it on Firefox. So if you got a computer, you definitely need to download this. I'm not quite sure if it works on a mobile device, but on a computer you need this. So download this. Is an extension. It's absolutely free, and it's going to give you different keywords. So if you look right here, I'm going to zoom in. The volume searches on Google is over 618 million searches a day just by coming on here. So if you scroll through here and you look over on the right hand side, just right here, you could see people are searching for Google Chrome, Google Search, Google Account, Google Activity. So if I should type in, let's say, gym. All right, let me type in gym. It will then show up like the closest gym. So if you look right here, over on the right hand side, I'm just going to zoom in so you could see that. So if you see what I'm talking about is Gold's Gym, there's over 200,000 people searching for this. Gym near me, over 162. So it shows you the competition, it shows you the CPC, and it shows you everything. So this is a great tool that you can use when you're going to do this method that I'm going to share with you. So let's just dive into it. So I just type in gym, and if you look right over here, we're going to be using Google Maps. So Google Maps, and if you click on here, what we're going to do, we're going to find businesses that literally do not get verified and on Google. And if you're not verified and if you don't have any verification, guess what? Chances are that these businesses will get ranked, or they will probably get shut down out of Google. They're not just going to boot them off, but slowly, one by one, that's what they're going to do. So this is the first thing that pop up. Great example is right here where it says own your business. So if you click on own your business, it's going to take you right here. So Coel Gym, they only have 4 reviews so far. And the reason why, because number one, they're not managing this business and to reply to like reviews, updates, and a lot of different things. So if you want to claim this, you can click on where it says manage now. And it's going to take you to another page. So it's loading. I'm going to walk you through the process. So this is the number for the business, right? There's a few different reasons. You could call, they could text, and they could also send an email to this particular business. So how are you going to reach out to these clients? You already manage this listing. You can verify. You can do it later. Let's do it later because you're going to need that. So if you look, it started. Look at here. I just literally just click on it, and you can get a custom thing just sent to you, but you could do that later. So I'm just going to back out of it, and I'm going to go back and show you. So own this business. You can look at their website, see what they're doing. They only have, as I said before, 4 Google reviews. Let me check out another one. come down here. This one, own a business. Oh, they already claimed this. Shelburne Yoga, they already claimed that. Click on here. They also claim this. So you could scroll all the way down. It's normally the ones down at the bottom, but for some reason that one on top just literally just stood out. This one right here, there it is. Austin Gym. One review, you could claim this. They don't have a phone number. They don't have anything. They only have a 4-star review. So this business right here, they're losing a lot of people. So in order for them to get listed all the way at the top, they need to be verified and they need to have reviews and different things that comes up. The other tool I'm going to share with you is this tool, and I'm going to talk more about it in just a second. It's called Moz, and it's about local listing. So let's just head back over to Google. So right here, make sure you stick with me all the way to the end because I'm going to share with you another way how you could do this. So there's a few different things. You could call them up, but they have absolutely no number. So how you could do this. So here's the address. One, you can look into the yellow page. Maybe they listed on Google, but for some reason there's absolutely no phone number. They have no website. There's nothing. So click on this one again. So you could just come through here and you could scroll through all day. Let me just back up for a bit. That's Planet Fitness. Planet Fitness is huge. So absolutely they're gonna have, all right, so look at this one. This one has 38 Google reviews. They have a phone number, they open at 7, and like literally they have some great reviews so far, but they do not own this business. So you could call them up, and once you call them, you could basically introduce yourself and let them know that your business is listed on Google, but for some reason, you are not getting the clients that you need because you're missing out on a lot of clients because people don't have time to scroll down all the way down to the bottom. So if I copy the name of this and I go in here, we can see how many people are searching for this particular, and there's 110 people per month that this business is losing. You know, they're probably searching for it and they look at the reviews and they realize that, all right, it's out of my reach. I don't want to attend. But because if you literally rank this all the way up to the top, you're going to be verified. So if you come on here and let's type in dentist, right? I'm going to type in dentist for a second. So dentist, I'm going to click on this one, Collins James. Look at this. This guy's at the top, and he basically, well, he's not really at the top because he has 2 reviews and own this business. You can own this business right away. And you can check, they have no website. They have nothing. This person right here as well has no reviews. No, don't own the business. Likewise, come through here. There are so many different companies, and these people, they have time to do all this. Like, look at this. Fish Timothy CDS own this business. So if you could call these people, you can make anywhere from like $150 to $300 just to set them up. Because once you know how to do it, and then you come on here and you own that business. Because if you click on it, you could just basically own it. And then if this person, you could send their you can let Google send them a letter, and once they send them a letter, they will know that this thing is legit. So you could send them a letter, and then you could basically just claim it. So this tool, it's called Moz. So you can go on Moz.com. They do local ranking and searches for different businesses. So the searches that you're going to be looking for, such as like Google, there's like link signals, there's review signals, unpaid signals, citation signals, behavioral signals, and you can see what it is that people are looking for this particular business. So you can type in the local finders and you could see exactly the example, the definition and everything, and you can just read through this. I don't want to take up too much of your time on this video, but just read through it and you could see exactly what they're doing. So another great place that you can make money, how to get paid daily using Google, is a place called Ask Wonder. So Ask Wonder is a particular website. They pay you money to do searches. So if you always go on Google to search, you could just come on here, you could sign up for it, and you can earn money just by searching different things. So they do, you can apply here and you can become a research analysis. So you do researcher. Like basically that's what they do. They pay you to do research. So you can put your first name, your last name, you can fill it out. Make sure you put your password, uh, what city do you live in? You put a city, make sure you're not a robot, and then you can start your application right away. So you can earn money using your brain, work when you want, and you can expand your resume with your mind. So this is a great website. But to make big bucks, you definitely want to start searching and start looking on here to see if you find any of these businesses and you can claim it. I didn't want to just claim that one because why would I claim it if I'm not getting paid for it? Because they would have to call the number that's on here, and they would also have to send an email, or they could just send a letter to the address. So you could do that and you could tell people how to do, and you could bump it up all the way because they're missing out on a lot of people. So if you come down here and if you scroll down here, you could definitely, like, look at this one, own this business. You click on here, you can own it. All right, you click on manage now. I own it, or I manage other business. So you could do that. Manage other business, make sure you get some reviews and slowly start to bump it up and send a lot of traffic to this. And I'm telling you, you can make anywhere from like $100 to $200 just by doing this and to sign up for businesses. So there's so many different ways how you can make money and how to get paid daily just by using Google. So make sure you check it out and download the tools, the free tools and the resources that I told you about, and just get to work, man. Send some emails, start calling some people, and put forward the effort. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Andre. Like, subscribe, become a part of the family. My #1 recommendation is in the link in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.